Alright class, so now let's continue explore our next tool. Tool number 7, polyline. Okay, you can draw using polyline using two ways. First is to click at the polyline icon over here. It is located next to the line icon. Another way is by typing in your command prompt. Okay, I shall start by typing polyline at my command prompt. Just type polyline. So there I have it. The short term for polyline is line, right? Command prompt will ask me to specify my first point, right? So I shall start drawing using polyline. So how to end my drawing? I just press enter or space bar. Okay, let's repeat. But this time I want to use the icon, right? I select polyline icon over here and I start to draw my drawing, right? Okay, and I want to enter by ending my drawing. So there I have two things, two objects here, okay? Right, so you see polyline is like a line, right? Okay, what is the difference? Okay, before I explain you what is the difference, I want you to draw something using line. Okay, so I draw a line object using line. Okay, so this one is using line and I want to enter to stop it. Okay, what's the difference between polyline and line? Okay, now please move your crosshair slowly at the object over here, the first object you draw, right? You see? Okay, it select all, okay, and you notice it shows that your small box showing that it is in polyline. Okay, so the next object also using polyline is stayed there. Okay, what about the third object? Okay, you move your cursor and it shows that it is drawn using line. Okay, so what's the difference? Let's select. Okay, select the first object. Okay, how to select? You just bring your cursor and click it. See? It select the whole thing. Okay, press escape. Okay, again, select the next object. Okay, I move my cursor and bring my cursor to the next object. So select this click and it select the whole object. Right, press escape once more. Okay, now try to select the third object inside it. Alright, so move it. So I click. Right, so do you notice? If I want to select the object, I have to click all the lines. So that's the difference between polyline and line. If you draw using polyline, once you select the whole object, it will select the whole thing. See? See? The whole thing. However, if you draw using line, when you want to select the object, it will select each one by one, the line. That's the difference. Okay, now, remember erase. You erase your drawing. Okay. Remember how to erase? You can either click the erase icon over here or you can type erase, right? So let's erase one object that was drawn using polyline. Okay, so how to erase? I click erase object. Okay, and the command prompt will ask me to select objects, okay, or object. Okay, I select this one. Okay, so notice I bring my cursor and it will select everything, the object. And if I press enter or spacebar, it will delete everything. Right. Let's say I want to delete this whole object. Okay. Alright. I select erase, and I want to select the small object inside it. Okay, do you notice? I have to select one by one. Because why? Because this object was drawn using line, not polyline. Okay, escape. Okay, escape. I want to cancel deleting. I show you once more. If I select erase and I select the object that I use using, I drawn using polyline, and it will select everything. And if I click enter or spacebar, it will erase everything. Alright. So meaning here, if you draw using polyline, the whole object or the whole thing will be like it. The whole object will be deleted. However, if you draw using line, it will delete one by one. Okay, so now you know the difference when you draw using polyline and when you draw an object using line.